Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fried minced pork with choy sum. It's my family favorite veggie dish. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with marinating 350 grams of minced pork with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Rub and mix until well combined. Then rotate the bottom of the pork over to the top and add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt to rub and marinate. This spread the salt evenly. Alright, all done. Leave it aside. Next, wash 430 grams of choy sum. Cut the stem into small pieces, about half centimeter in length, and separate them into stem and leaves. And set aside in a bowl. Cut the leaves into small pieces as well. And place it in a separate bowl. Repeat until all the choy sum have been cut. Place a wok over the stove. Switch on the heat. Add 50 ml of cooking oil and wait for it to warm up a little. Add 50 grams of minced garlic. Stir fry and cook for about 2 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. As the garlic caramelizes, it infuses the flavor into the oil. Alright, this looks good. Remove 2/3 of it from the wok and put it in a heat-resistant bowl. Next, add the marinated minced pork into the wok with some garlic and garlic oil. Stir fry for about 45 seconds, breaking any lumps. Continue stir frying until the color changes slightly to gray. After 2 minutes, the pork looks good. Add 40 grams of cut red chili, half tablespoon of coarse black pepper, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry for about 30 seconds or until the minced pork are well mixed with the seasoning. Next, add all the choy sum stem and stir fry for another 30 seconds. If it is a little too dry, add 100 ml of water. Let it fry for another 1.5 minutes or until the choy sum is cooked and crunchy. For a softer texture, continue to fry for another 2 more minutes. Give it a taste. This is good and delicious. If preferred, more seasoning can be added. Next, add the choy sum leaf. Continue to stir for about 45 seconds or until the choy sum leaves are soft and well cooked. Alright, it's ready. Switch off the heat. Mix in most of the crispy fried garlic until combined. Okay, now our simple stir-fried minced pork with choy sum is ready. Dish it out onto a serving plate. Garnish with the rest of the little fried garlic. And serve. I like enjoying it with sunny side-up egg and with rice. It can also be made into a complete one-dish meal. Let's eat! Wow, delicious and very flavorful. The choy sum are sweet, balancing perfectly with chewy minced pork and crispy garlic. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjip. Thank you and bye-bye!